The product of two rational numbers is 3 by 5. One number into another number is 3 by 5. If one of the numbers is minus 5 by 3, so one of these numbers is minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3 into something is 3 by 5. The other number is, this number should be 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. If you're multiplying by minus 5 by 3, you have to multiply by minus 3 by 5 in this side in order to bring the equation correctly. What do we mean by this? Minus 5 by 3 into something is 3 by 5. That something is 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. The way to think about this is you're multiplying both sides by minus 3 by 5. Minus 5 by 3 into minus 3 by 5 is 1. The multiplicative identity. This is the multiplicative inverse of this number. Therefore, the second number is 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. Denominator is 25, numerator is minus 9. Minus 9 by 25, choice A.